Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today I just want to talk about this MARPHYL Soil Enhancer. So this is used as kind of like a fertilizer or plant food, and you can use it on indoor or outdoor plants. This is a 16.9 ounce bottle, and a little goes a long way. It's a 1:20 ratio with water. So you really don't have to use much in the amount of water that you are using to water your plants. You use this every 2 weeks about, so it's really low maintenance. You don't have to worry about doing it a whole ton. It's great for your plants. It really enhances the soil and it gives it nutrients. It has omega fatty acids in it, tons of vitamins, tons of good things for your plants. You can use this on indoor plants, or you can use it in your garden on vegetables, trees, shrubs, flowers, literally any plant. It is vegan and non-toxic. It's made with microalgae, and that's what's giving the plants all the nutrients. So I absolutely love that it's non-toxic and it's safe. I have kids and pets, so whenever I can buy a product that I don't have to worry about them being around, I think that's a huge plus. So if you are looking for something to enhance your soil and really help out your indoor or outdoor plants, I would highly recommend you look into this one. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.